do it. Oh, this looks so good.
I'm finding studs.
You're not right. Look at all the molding you've been making. That looks so good. Huh. Well, look at you.
That's the trick.
I'm sure they're expensive too, aren't they?
Well,
Let's see what else you've done. This is an accident waiting to happen. Riley, you be careful. Oh, they cut off the doorway into the bathroom this way. So you will enter the bathroom. Right here will be a wall with the vanities. Tub will go right here. Walk-in shower here. And then you'll have a little area that's kind of closed off where you'll have a toilet right here. And a chandelier. This is so cool. I can't believe this used to be the old bathroom. I forgot to say, we will have barn doors right here. So barn doors here and then a normal door here. This will go to the closet and this will go to the bathroom. And this is going to stay my dad's little office here.
Mommy!
What?
Why did that go right
Your tub? Dad had to move it. Here's the new windows. Some of them have been put in, not all of them, but they're gonna look so good and replace all of these. This took up a huge chunk of our budget, probably 25% of it, so we've had to work with a small budget. And I just pray we can pull it off. We also ordered 3 new doors, so one will go here. These were not cheap at all, but Lowe's was having a really good deal on them. I think they were normally like $1,200 or $1,300, and we got them for $700. So one will go there, and then one will go in the bedroom. So this is the cedar that will go be framed all throughout here. Looks good. Yeah, I like it. And then the barnwood's gonna go up here. Looks good? Okay, the lighting is a little bit better today, so I'm going to let you see what it looks like in real life. We still need to do one more coat on the mantle. That color is Alabaster by Sherwin. The wall color is light Pewter. It's a Benjamin Moore color, but we actually get color matched at Sherwin because we like their paint. Not sponsored, we just like their paint. And I mortared the brick with just a white, and here is the floor. It took us forever to find a floor, and that's what we went with. I think it's gonna look great. Same floor throughout the whole entire house. The bathrooms will be tiled, but every other room will have this floor. So there it is. So that's really what we've been up to this week. John has been sick. He had an ear infection, so he was down for about a week. Now my dad is sick. He's actually going to the Minute Clinic today. So we've all just passed on a cold. That kind of turned into a sinus infection, so it's delayed us a little bit. But we are making progress, and we're barely a 4-man team, mostly a 2-man team. So we're doing the best we can, and I think that we're doing pretty good. I think we're probably on the month mark, maybe a month and a week. But I think when we get done with all of this stuff, like in the rooms and the hallways, and we're able to paint and lay floors, I think it's gonna go pretty fast. The bathrooms are probably gonna take some time. And honestly, I'm stressing out because I have to order all the stuff, and it's just